All right. Someone asked me to do a bump in the night kit video. Really, all I'm going to be grabbing is my pistol that I keep handy. I'm not going to have time to grab a belt and put a gun belt on, or grab a chest rig, put a chest rig on. From my experience, if I'm getting woke up about some noise, I'm usually in a hurry. So I grab a gun really quick and go check things out. Maybe throw a shirt on or some shorts or something, some shoes. And I'm headed to wherever the noise came from, doing, walking the perimeter. So going through all those extra steps, put all that other gear on, you're just wasting time, allowing someone to either get in your house or steal whatever they're wanting to steal. And I don't feel like wasting time. I've got a family to protect, so this is first thing I'm grabbing, and I can handle. Gonna go handle it. It's just a Hellcat, and they're 9mm. And I have this Olight Valkyrie. I've made a video on this gun already, if you'd like to check it out. There's a Valkyrie Mini 2. Nice bright flashlight, rechargeable. Down there and recharge it. Night sights. So, if you're gonna have a weapon that you're gonna be using for your middle of the night adventure, checking to see if there's a boogeyman outside, you definitely need a flashlight on your gun. If you live out in the middle of nowhere, use whatever, use a rifle or whatever. If you live in town, I would suggest using a pistol, just because a pistol round's not going to travel as far. You don't want to over penetrate and shoot up your neighbor's house. So another reason why I kind of like pistols for this situation, or close quarter combat. It's a lot harder to take away a pistol from somebody, especially if they're big and strong. You're gonna have a hard time getting it away from them. A rifle is a little easier to maneuver or take away from somebody. It's harder to hold on to a rifle and point it at somebody if they've got hold of the barrel. It'd be really hard to grab the barrel of this. This holds 14 rounds, being one in the chamber there. Also, being a pistol makes it easier to go around corners, in tight spots, without taking a chance of someone grabbing the end of that, weapon and taking it away from you, or stopping you from shooting them and maybe shooting you or stabbing you. Well, that's about it for my bump in the night kit. If you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.